Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Gala's price chart. And now in the short term I'm seeing some quite optimistic signs. Why? If you remember the last time that we talked about Gala, I think we were around these areas, and the idea was that if you want to be bullish, then okay, you should probably say this is 1 2 3 4 5 in form of a leading diagonal, a wedge structure, followed by an A B and then 5 wave down into our C leg overall, an ABC expanded flat. And what you need to see is a rather strong move up in order to continue this uptrend, and for you to be able to say, you know what, on a higher degree we are having 1 2 good move up into wave 3 correction for another move into wave 5. Basically we have hit our final low right in here in Gala around 1.5 cents area. Now as you can see, we are not having that big phase up yet, but in my view, when you go on some lower time frames and pay attention to the sub waves, seems like we might be on track for that. Let's go on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so first things first, I think we can all kind of agree that this is most likely a very slow and choppy move down. I'm thinking about a correction structure, probably yes, an A, B, C in form of a zigzag, which will sort of kind of get confirmed if we get probably in the short term another move up, and then we take this important high right in here around 1.6 cents. Now is this going to be the only bullish stuff? No, not really. You see, pay attention to what is happening from here to about this side, because I think this is, excuse me, a 1 2 3 4 5, which on a higher degree might be into a wave 3 correction for 4, and another move on the upside into wave 5. And pay attention, this 5 wave up and correction down by like a very small margin is actually smaller than this 5 wave up and this correction down, and this opens the doors to probably having a 1-2 series, suggesting, you know what, this is 1 2 3 4 5, which on a higher degree it's gonna be into this wave 3 correction for another move into wave 5, confirming that we are going to have the structures that we talked about in the previous video in Gala. So this is one very important reason for why in the short term I'm really seeing some good signs, and I'm really hoping that we are going to get a continuation of this move on the upside in Gala. I just need to see two very important things to basically confirm those things are happening. Number one, we said it earlier, a very small move up in order to take this high. And number two, I need to see a good phase up in order to sort of kind of confirm that, you know what, we are having this beautiful head and shoulder structure right in here. In fact, we are seeing a head and shoulder in a lot of altcoins recently, and we are in most of them on the verge of getting a big break of it. So if we do something like this, we go above here followed by a pullback and then another move up, it will be a good sign. And at that point, in a whole lot of alts, I think we are going to see some decent moves up, and Gala seems like that is not going to be an exception based on what we are seeing in like very short term in terms of Elliott waves. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Gala's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.